Hi, I'm Ryan with Dutton Plumbing. This is a quick and easy video to show you how to unjam your garbage disposal. First, flip the switch located at the bottom of the disposal. And then turn the switch on. If you hear a humming sound and it's still jammed, next thing is you want to grab a 1/4 inch Allen key similar to the one that most likely was shipped with your disposal, and this actually fits on the bottom of the disposal. This will help you have leverage in order to unjam it. Once you're done with that, grab a flashlight and long nose pliers once you can find at any hardware store. This is when you want to look inside and grab whatever debris is stuck and pull it out. Once you're done, go ahead and flip the switch and see what you hear. Alright, we got it cleared up.